Do you know about wallpaper carousel feature in MIUI? Well, this feature is super amazing that you get to see a variety of wallpapers on your screen anytime you turn it on. You want to find out? Then don't skip because this feature is so educative. Before I continue, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share with your friends. First, let's find out whether this feature is enabled by default in your device. Now head to your phone settings. Now we're going to search for wallpaper carousel in the search bar to find out if we have that feature. Don't worry if it doesn't show up. Get back to the main settings menu, look for additional settings and then get to region. Select UK if you prefer English, or you select France if you prefer French. Now go back to the main settings menu and search again in the search bar wallpaper carousel. Oh, there it is, wallpaper carousel. Click to turn it on. Do remember that you've got option to customize your own images. Also, you've got option for random images. To get that, do turn on update wallpapers using mobile data. You're good to go if you turn everything on. Now let's check it out. As you can see, it works well. I get to see random wallpapers when double tap to turn on my screen. This is great. You can even press the discover button to learn some facts about what you're actually seeing. To me, this is very educative because you get to learn and broaden up your knowledge, because it gives you more information about the actual wallpaper being displayed. Just take your time, give it a try, you'd love it. So far, that's what I brought to you today. To see more content from Ozitech, please subscribe, hit the bell button and share with your friends.